Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the Jordan 1 Retro High Men's by Jordan Brand in the black metallic gold colorway. These released on the 30th of November 2020, here in the UK for the retail price of £140. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from end. Quick shout out to them for the raffle win, and it comes with your classic black and red Jordan Nike box. The style code is 5550888032. Inside the box comes the shoes in white wrapping paper, and these shoes come with an extra set of gold flat laces. Which is pretty nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Put simply, this is a black pair of patent leather Jordan 1s with gold accents. This can be seen on the Nike swoosh that sits on both sides of the mid panel, as well as hits around the collar. This is the third time Nike released this colorway after 2003, which had no gold hits around the collar, and 2013 features a white midsole with gold outsoles. This pair, however, features a black sole with gold mid-panel stitching. The insoles are also black with gold Nike Air branding. The materials are your standard smooth glossy patent leather. It's so easy to crease and scuff that my left pair came slightly creased at the heel, so expect minor flaws and defects when buying this shoe. Comfort wise, these are also your standard flat Air Jordan 1 sole. It's fine for everyday use, but when I think comfort, I don't think Jordan 1. Sizing wise, I usually go for my OG high Jordan 1 and Air Force 1 sizing, where I recommend going down half a size, but I tend to stay true to size when it comes to patent leather because it's more stiff, especially if you have wider feet. So I would recommend going true to size. So the question are, these are 2 pairs minimum. For me, these get a 0 pair minimum pickup. Personally, I'm not into patent leather because it's hard to maintain. It is a nice colorway and it is easy to style, and yeah, they look good on feet. But they gave off too much of that Dr. Martin 1460s vibe, which is not really my style. But since you've heard my thoughts, now it's time for yours. Did you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out? Or did you pass? Let me know why in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment metal to show me you watch this video to the end. Please subscribe, like, and follow me if you like this content. Apart from that, have a good day.